Hello children, let's begin with the writing section today, and today we are going to learn notice writing. Okay, so first of all we should know that what is a notice. So a notice is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Okay, and it usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, or general instructions. Okay, so children, what is a notice? It is a piece of information which is meant for a larger group of people. Okay, so while writing a notice, we have to keep certain key points in our mind. So number one is the ideal length of notice is 50 words. Means the word limit is 50 words only, not more than that. So only relevant points needs to be addressed. Means so we have to write only important points. Second, present the notice in a proper format. There is a format for writing notice that we have to follow, and I will tell you what is the format. Okay. Then third is try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Okay. Then fourth is don't use personal pronouns like I and we. We should not use I and we in notice writing. So children, this is given the format of writing a notice. So what we have to do? We have to write name of the organization or school or institution at the center of the page, but in capital letter. Okay. Then after that, we have to write notice. Okay. So children, while you are writing this, you can leave one line. Okay. So notice should also in capital letter, all NOTIC in capital letter. Then we have to write the date of notice. Okay. And date also we have to write in British format also only. Okay. That I will tell you later on how we have to write the date. Then sometimes we have to mention the classes, that for which classes this notice is meant for. So we have to write the classes at the right hand side of the page in front of date of notice. Okay, but it is not given here. Then we have to write the title or heading of notice. So it should also be in capital letter. Okay. Then after writing this, we have to give the body, or we have to write the content of notice, the information. Okay. Then at the left hand side, signature should be there, name should be there, and designation should be there. Designation means post, and this also should be in capital letter. Okay. So after writing this notice, the most important thing is we have to put notice in a box. Okay, this is very important, and sometimes children only just they make line roughly, so you have to use your scale for making a box. It should look very tidy. Okay, so children, what we write in body, that I will tell you. In body we have to write these things, that what is the notice about, who is addressed to. Okay, in notice who is addressed to means for whom we are writing, where is the event, the place. Okay, when is the event going to happen means what is the date of the event. Then the instructions are written related to the notice. Okay, and last is whom to contact or get in touch with for the event, to whom we have to contact. So this is the body. Now I'll give you a sample or an example for writing a notice, so that you will be able to understand it well. So sample notice is, your water bottles was stolen from the class when you were out in the games period yesterday. As Karthik Anand, means you are Karthik Anand now. Okay, so Karthik Anand draft a notice to put up on the school notice board giving all the details in about 50 words. Put the notice in a box. So children, in this question it is given that put the notice in a box, but it is not given. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that we have to put notice in a box. So how we will write now? So this is the name of the school, Blue Bells High School, Gurgaon. It is written in capital letter. Okay, then the word notice after leaving one line, notice. Then again, uh, after leaving one line, the date. Okay, and you can see here the format of writing date. Only you will follow the this format only, 5th April, comma 2020. This is the correct format. Okay, if you will not write in this format, your marks will be deducted. Okay, so here no classes are mentioned. It means the notice is for whole school. Then after leaving one line, the heading or the title of the notice, water bottle lost. This is also in capital letter. Okay, now the body or the content. So a brand new Milton water bottle was lost in the cricket ground on 4th April. Okay, that is Saturday. It is blue in color and has a white lid. There is a sticker of Scooby Doo on it, on its steel body. Okay, if found, please return it to the undersigned. A suitable reward promised. Kartik Anand, then in capital Kartik Anand, then roll number this and this. Means here it is not given the designation, so you can write student. Okay, so children, this is the format. After writing this, he has put the format in a box. This is very important. Okay, so this is the correct format of writing a notice. If you will not follow this format, your marks will be deducted. Okay, and leaving the lines means if you are writing one thing, suppose you are writing the name of the institution, leave one line, then write notice, then leave one line. Okay, then write date, then leave one line, then write title, then leave one line. Okay, then write the body, then leave one line, then other things means signature, designation, and the name. Here you will not leave any line. Okay, hope you understand this. Now I'll give you some notice writing for practice. Okay.